In 2023, YouTube lowered the bar to becoming monetized on their platform. For those that do not know, you can be entered into the YouTube Partner Program with just 500 subscribers, 3 uploads in the last 90 days, which is basically a freebie, and then you also need 3,000 watch time hours in the past year or 3 million public shorts views in the past 90 days. Very thankfully, I reached this monetization goal on March 13th of 2024, and now I have the ability to turn on channel memberships, which allow me to offer premium content and member perks to viewers who pay a monthly fee, super chats and super stickers to offer my viewers the ability to highlight their messages within a live chat or to get an animated image that pops up in the live chat by paying money directly to me, and then super thanks, which is the fourth item, which generates revenue from viewers who want to show extra thanks for my content by paying me a fee. Think of that basically as like a donation. I have been monetized or in the YouTube Partner Program for about a month now as of the recording of this video, and I wanted to do a little reflection and talk about how much money I have made up until this point and then discuss my future. So take your best guesses. How much money do you think I've made? I want to clarify something first. Because I am in the YouTube Partner Program, this does not mean that I have ads on my videos, as currently I am not able to receive money through ads. Currently, any ads you might see on my videos go directly towards YouTube's revenue and do not support my channel, as I have not reached that second tier of YouTube monetization yet, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the last 365 days. While YouTube as a whole made it easier to become monetized, they split the YouTube Partner Program into tiers. The previous tier is the same as before, like I had mentioned, so that's the higher ad tier, but when they lowered the entry, they split the YouTube Partner Program into 2 tiers. The tier that I'm in right now is the crowd-funded tier, and then there's an ad tier, which is up and coming for me personally. I like sharing these metrics with everyone because it shows how far I have come. Currently, as of the recording of this video, and I'm sure this will be outdated very soon, but I am at 768 subscribers and 3,653 watch time hours over the last 365 days. When I first started my YouTube channel, I thought it would be much more difficult to get the watch time hours than it would be to get the subscribers, but it turns out that I was wrong. So currently I'm on track to hit the watch time hours goal within a few weeks of recording this video, but to hit the subscribers, well, that might take a few more months at the current rate of growth. It's definitely something to look forward to though in the future, as I'm very eager to become a full-time YouTube partner with all of the benefits that come with that. So now is the moment you've been waiting for. I bet you can't even compute a number this large, so hold on to anything that is close to you, because here it is. So far, with a month of being a YouTube partner, with a grand total of 30 days in the YouTube Partner Program, hitting the first tier of monetization, the crowdfunded tier, like I mentioned, I have made a total of $1.40. Now, I will admit, okay, obviously this number is small, but somebody took their hard-earned money and decided to donate $2 directly to me, of which YouTube takes 30%, so that's where the $1.40 comes from. Shout out to Mark Hoyle. I hope I am pronouncing your name correctly, but you are the first person to ever donate to me, and it is oh so greatly appreciated. You are the best. But I do think this number represents a turning point for me and my YouTube channel. However, I am getting so close to becoming fully monetized on this platform, and I am both very eager and anxious at the same time, but I know that nothing is given and anything can happen. So the point of this video was not to brag in any sort of way, but rather serve as a little inspiration for aspiring creators that I am as real as it gets when it comes to YouTube. I personally have had no help. I have grown my channel from exactly 0 subscribers just by uploading over the course of 2 years now. The issue is that I was not consistent always with my uploads, like at all, really. Sometimes I went months without uploading for different various personal reasons, but now I feel so close to the ultimate goal and I cannot wait to get there. I also know that I do not deserve anything. So the fact that there is even one person out there willing to donate any sort of amount of money to me to just support my channel truly means the world. So what is next actually for me and my channel? Well, I am honestly going to keep doing what I am doing. I am a very busy guy, busier than most probably. I currently have a full-time 40-hour-a-week job. I am a licensed real estate agent in the state of Wisconsin, and I'm trying to start my YouTube career. You can say that I just like to stay busy. I mean, yeah, that's definitely true. You can say that I tend to overwork myself. Yeah, that's probably also true. Honestly though, YouTube is my passion and I plan to continue doing what I'm doing for quite a long time. So what exactly am I doing, or what am I going to do in the future? Well, I currently upload a video a week on Thursdays. I've done this every week so far in 2024, which was my goal for the year, to keep this up for basically as long as I can, and I've been doing a good job at that. I make personal finance type content. I say personal finance with a Riley twist on it because I like to make videos that are just most interesting to me personally, generally revolving in the personal finance world though. My current schedule is that I make one full-length video every other week, and then I make a short the following week that is a shortened version of the long video, or basically a little teaser, if you will, something that you can view only when you have a minute, and I can also upload it to other platforms such as TikTok, X, which I hate that name, Instagram Reels, and also Facebook. So you can follow me there on those other platforms also if you're interested. Links for that are down below in the description. I did also turn on the ability for people to give thanks, which is the donation option that I mentioned. I'm definitely not looking for a handout or anything. I just wanted the ability out there for people to contribute if they think my content is worthwhile to them, really in any sort of way, and they would just like to support my channel directly. The other option of support then is the channel memberships, which is something that I had also turned on. For right now, at this point in my channel's life, there is nothing that the channel memberships allow other than just supporting me in another method. There's no exclusive content or anything like that. My channel is just not big enough for that currently, but if anybody out there really does like my content, that is another way that they can support me, because, you know, as you've seen, no other money has been made from my YouTube channel thus far, other than the direct support that I'm able to get from a potential viewer. So basically, the point of this video was to tell you all thank you. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. My channel has really grown actually quite a bit this year, and I look forward to the future and everything that is yet to come. If you have not already, please help me out by hitting that subscribe button so we can hit the fast forward on that monetization goal that I had mentioned earlier. I honestly can't wait for all the great things yet to come this year. Thanks for watching. This has been Riley with the Riley Reform channel. I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope your day is as pleasant as you are.